This is Bill. He is on his way to see his girlfriend. But wait! He just realized he lost his car keys. But don't worry, Bill. Here are some useful tips on how to avoid car lockout. First, keep a spare key in your wallet. Second, leave a spare key with friends, family, or neighbors. Third, before leaving a place, check for your car keys. Fourth, check your anti-theft system from time to time. A fault in this system may leave your car completely immobilized. So, if you practice these tips, it's very likely you'll avoid car lockout situations. And you'll never miss a date again. If you experience a car lockout situation after all, call 866-822-7100. Green Locksmith, where your security is our priority. Si habla español.